5 amazing benefits of drinking clove water at night. Hello everyone. In today's video, I will tell you the fantastic benefits of drinking clove water at night. Yes, a few cloves simmered in water can do wonders for your health. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and does not substitute any medical care. Always consult your doctor before making any health decisions or changes. Welcome to Health I Seek. If you are concerned about maintaining a healthy lifestyle, you are in the right place. Kindly like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more informative weekly videos where we explore the latest health tips and research. Clove is an amazing spice that not only adds flavor to your cuisine, but also provides various health benefits. Cloves are rich in antibacterial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and antiviral properties. They are also used in traditional medicine to treat several ailments. Now, let's dive into the 5 excellent benefits of drinking clove water at night. 1. Promotes your cognitive function. Clove water before bed can help you to boost your cognitive functioning. An antioxidant, eugenol in clove, can help reduce brain oxidative stress, which is linked to cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Moreover, you can also improve your memory, learning, and focus by drinking clove water at night because of manganese and eugenol in clove. 2. Improves your liver health. You can also improve your liver functioning by taking clove water before sleeping. Its antioxidant properties can aid in detoxifying your liver and can also reduce liver inflammation. According to research published by the National Library of Medicine, eugenol in clove may be especially beneficial for the liver. 3. Boosts your immunity. No doubt, we all need a strong immune system. You can boost your immunity by adding clove water to your nightly routine. Cloves are high in antioxidants that help your body fight free radicals, which damage your cells and weaken your immune system. Additionally, you can give your body extra defense against colds and flu by drinking clove water at night. 4. Promotes better sleep. Having trouble sleeping? Well, clove water is a solution for you. Give it a shot before bed and see wonders. Clove contains a compound called eugenol, which has mild sedative properties that can relax your mind and body. Therefore, drinking clove water before sleeping can help you to drift off into a peaceful sleep. 5. Improves your digestion. Consuming clove water at night can be very beneficial for your digestion. It works as a detox for your gut. Clove water can stimulate digestive enzymes, which help to break down food efficiently. So, whether you are suffering from bloating, indigestion, or gas, drinking clove water before bed can calm your stomach. How to make clove water. Now, we know the amazing benefits of clove water. Let's dive into the process of making it. All you have to do is take 5 to 6 cloves and boil them in a cup of water. Now lower the heat, cover it, and cook it for about 5 minutes. Your clove water is ready. Leave it for approximately an hour and allow it to cool. Take it about 30 minutes before sleeping. In a nutshell, incorporating clove water into your nightly routine could be a small but impactful step toward maintaining your health. It can provide potential health benefits, such as improved digestion, immunity, liver health, cognition, and sleep. So, are you going to try clove water? Let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching Health I Seek channel. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more weekly videos.